Hi, I'm Tina, and I'm the trainer for the crash course. The crash course is a very intensive, week-long, only English use, language development course. In the mornings, we have exercises that we do together, and sometimes you prepare on your own and you work with someone else, or you work in the whole group. In the afternoons, there are projects, and the projects are based on the theme of that day. There will be a tour of Swola, there will be a tour of the monastery. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. Come and join us. See you then.